If it may please your lordships, dear ladyships, my name is Ouma. I appear for the petitioner together with Mr. Musyoki. Your lordship and your ladyships, the case before you is a very simple, very straightforward case. It is a case about ballot access. It is a case about the conduct of elections. I wish to start these proceedings by underscoring the importance of nominations to the electoral process. Your lordship and your ladyships, as a matter of fact, nomination is at the epicenter of an election. And that is why, to avoid any controversy as to the issue of nomination, Article 138, in very clear and express terms, set out 3 circumstances under which nominations occur. Your lordship, on the date set for nomination, if no candidate is nominated, Article 138 is imperative that the election must be cancelled and a new presidential election held within 60 days. And we will see the importance of that in a few minutes. Under Article 138(1), if only one candidate is nominated, that candidate is entitled to be declared elected as president. Your lordship and your ladyships, if 2 or more persons are nominated, then you have a contest between 2 people. And it is only then that Article 138(2) says you go to meet the people at the ballot. I can read for emphasis Article 138(2). If 2 or more candidates for presidents are nominated, an election shall be held in each constituency. I would want to stop at that point and we look at the language that is used under Article 138(1) and Article 138(2). It is not in doubt that the election held on the 26th of October was a presidential election. In that election, if only one candidate for president is nominated, not was nominated, but is nominated, then the candidate shall be declared elected. The word used is in the current present tense, and it ensures compliance. Your lordship, tied to 2 or more candidates proceeding to the ballot is Article 138(3) that says that the poll shall be taken by secret ballot on the day specified in Article 101 in the places and in the manner prescribed by an Act of Parliament. Your lordship, the regulations that are made under the authority of the Elections Act provide in express terms that every ballot paper shall contain the name of validly nominated candidates. In this case, your lordship, it is not in dispute that no candidate was nominated for this election. There was no contest because no 2 or more persons were nominated, because an election only proceeds to the polls when 2 or more persons are nominated. So there was no contest, and under Article 138(8)(a), that election ought to have been cancelled 21 days to the election in compliance with Section 14. Your lordship, I wish to take you to Article 138(7). Before you go to Article 138(8), you have to pass through Article 138(7). 137, I mean. In that article, a person qualifies for nomination. It is requirements for a person to qualify for nomination before you go to the procedure at the presidential election where you are nominated. For the avoidance of doubt, Section 2 of the Elections Act defines nomination as delivery of papers to the IEBC in compliance with the Constitution and the Act.